Welcome everyone to Manchester again. Okay, I'm not going to talk about the. We've got a lot of activities related to control and autonomous systems. I think I'm going to skip that. One of the things is actually, I know I have actually attended several of these workshops, but probably it's a good time to promote that, to publish a special issue in a major control journal. Alessandro and me together also with Costas and Nukjan, we worked on the something now to report back. There's a journal, UK journal, SCI UK journal called Transaction Institute of Measurement and Control, and I'm currently in the editorial board. So we put up a proposal to the editor-in-chief, in particular Frank Lewis, say, okay, we are interested in organize a special issue. That special issue, I will talk about that later on. Initially, their concern was that, say, this is a very theoretical topic of nature. And then I sent him several papers, including one of Nukjanan's one still with those, to convince them, yes, they are actually strongly related to applications. So eventually they agreed. So let us go ahead with this special issue. So that special issue, the topic, as you say, the set membership technology and the applications, basically very closely related to the title of this workshop. How are we going to organize that special issue? I think we probably look about 12-ish or 12 to 15 papers. So obviously we cannot include every papers presented in this workshop. So what we will do is actually we will perhaps screening through all the papers involved. In particular, I think Alessandro and Nuk, they are experts in this area. They will probably have a short list and send you guys invitation. The review process will be the same as a normal papers done through the reviewer system of TIMC. I will probably talk to the management of TIMC to make sure that they at least they grant you and Nuk the assessment access to the editorial system. Yeah, that's one I will do that. So the time, I think because it's usual the review process, you probably take a year. So that hopefully by next year, one of this kind of workshop, we can report back the progress and also perhaps give you guys a list of the papers included. I know there is also a big backlog of that journal. So even we finalize the accepted paper, then probably also take a while for them to see their printed hard copy. So the guest editors, we have Nukjanan, the Alessandro Stenko, two of them will be mainly dealing with technical issues, and my role will probably be negotiating with the editors of the journal, try to make these administrative arrangements. And Costas, he with his status will provide us an overview and suggestions. So that's about the special issue. I think as I said, Alessandro and Nuk, they will probably work out the preliminary list and send you guys invitation. And then along that, we will provide you guys with a detailed guideline how to submit to the editorial system. Any questions?
Is it going to be open access?
Sorry?
Is it open access?
No. This journal open access. We need to pay the money unless cost you can contribute something. We can
maybe the division office would prefer.
Oh yeah, indeed. That's of course there will be a open access option. Yeah. Of course with a payment, as standard for any sort of other SCI journals. Yes, the option is available. Yes, for open access. Any other questions?
And you have some deadlines for the paper submission. We have to think about that.
Oh yeah, we have. But initially we had a deadline, but I think we are going to revise that. I'm going to send probably another email to talk to the editorial board to see what will be agreed, the deadline. Yeah, considering the workshop, is this week, I think with submission we'll probably talk about maybe 1 month or 1 or 2 months time, and then the review process, etc. I will update that with the editorial, with the editor in chief of that field.
What kind of commitment we have probably would be offered somebody of you are interested to publish. Because it does take big effort, much commitment, and it's important to meet those deadlines. Thank you. So yes,
not everybody here, so they will arrive today.
But at least the people where they are, they're committed, so
yeah.
I'm pleased with that.
Yeah. Any other questions regarding the special issue? I'll be around probably during the coffee break, and if any questions you can ask me, or you can ask Anastasia perhaps. Thank you, Anastasia.
Thank you very much. Thank you.